Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and this week I am going to be working on a Joana patterns, and I'll put the actual pattern that I'm making. It's the Anastasia dress, and I am going to be working today on putting together the pattern, but I also wanted to show you the fabric that I'm going to be working with, and it is actually a duvet cover. It is a 100% cotton duvet cover, and I will be ripping the seams on this and then figuring out the amount of fabric that I am going to need for the skirt and all of that. I don't know if I want to do a gathered waist on this or if I want to do a circle skirt, but I will figure that out after I see exactly how much fabric I have to see if I can even do a circle skirt with this. But that is where we are at right now. I am getting ready to put the pattern together. And I apologize, I'm actually sick right now. I don't know what's going on. I went out to meet Kent Rawlings yesterday and to get a signed copy of his book. And since then, I've been kind of feeling a little under the weather, nose stopped up, just not feeling 100%, but I am going to be working because this is my birthday dress. I will not be uploading on Friday this week. I'm going to be doing the video upload on Sunday because Saturday is actually my birthday, and I wanted to do some video of me actually in this dress at Earth X in Dallas, and that's where we're at. So I am repurposing this sheet, and I have a pattern. I did purchase the 4-pack pattern, like I said in last week's video. So I have all 4 patterns that come in a bundle from her, and I wanted to do the Anastasia dress. All right, let's get over to actually putting together the pattern.
The next morning.
Okay, so technically on day 2, I didn't do anything. I was too busy running errands with a neighbor of mine. So we are actually on day 3. I have all of the pattern pieces cut out. I have my fabric already seam ripped. It's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting out the fabric and get to the sewing part. But first I need to check my sewing machine to make sure everything is working order there. I have not been able to sew any buttonholes, and thankfully with this pattern I'm not going to have to sew any buttonholes. That's why I never finished my Grogu shirt, because I can't sew any buttonholes on the new Burnett machine, the new baby. So I am going to go ahead and get this set up for sewing instead of embroidery, and then I'm going to start cutting out my fabric. So okay, okay, hey guys, it's day 4 or 5, I don't even know now. James has been home for the last couple of days. I have not actually done anything on it since day 3. So I still need to do the sleeves. I still have a couple other things that I need to do. It's not going to be done this week. I already know it. I tried. It is what it is. But I did get a new toy. Got myself a new computer that I'm going to be hooking up this weekend. But I probably will share some footage from EarthX just so y'all can see. So, all right, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so I lied. I was able to finish the dress completely off last night. I did skip out on adding the pockets though, but that's okay. I don't need pockets. I've got my purse for now. We are heading out to EarthX here in just a few minutes, but I did want to show you something that Skylar made me for my birthday and a couple little things that I picked up at Joann's yesterday. Excuse any mess you see, but Skylar made me a wooden sleeve board, and oh my god, this is so smooth. I have not seen anything as smooth as this in a long time. And then I picked up a couple of patterns. I picked up this Simplicity pattern. Well, they're all Simplicity. They were $1.99 each, and I got them in all different sizes. I make these for my puppy. He has a tendency himself, and yeah, this biting and stuff like that, he needs that. Cute pair of pants, pattern for James, pattern for Skylar, and another pattern for me. So Skylar made this for my birthday. We found some information about one of these on one website. She took that along with her construction teacher, and she made this for my birthday. And I can't wait to start using it. Okay, so let's talk about the dress. And I'm not doing a reveal, but I will go ahead and pop up a couple of the photos from this past weekend and my birthday where we were celebrating down at EarthX. But I don't like the way I look in these photos. I don't like the way I look, period, right now. I need to get over my body dysmorphia and accept me as I am right now. I am at the heaviest weight I have ever been, and I I am struggling with that right now. But Joana DIY, her patterns fit my body perfectly. The size 20 is what I went with on this, and it fits me perfectly. My only complaints about the pattern would be none really, other than the skirt's a little short for me. I will go back in later on and probably add a ruffle to the bottom to give myself another 5 inches or so for this dress. My mistakes on making this, and it's actually for the back, and this is because I was in a time crunch. I did not put any interfacing into the back of the dress, and that's my mistake. I was in a hurry trying to get done and over with. I should have done that. I also did not add the pockets in because I was in a hurry to get this finished for me to wear on Saturday. Overall, I love this pattern. I do plan on using it some more, so I am going to go ahead and make an envelope and put this exact pattern with no alterations away, so I can easily make this dress over and over again for myself. I'd like to go ahead and size up this pattern also, because I think my oldest daughter Skylar would love this style of dress, and she is 2, maybe 3 dress sizes larger than I am. So I want to make this for her, and I need to size it up for her. What is so great about this is with using the tie in the front, you can add or subtract as much of this fullness around your bust as you want. I technically did not need to wear a bra with this dress because of how much ruching is going across the bust area, but I did go ahead and wear a bra. So some of my photos you might see the actual bra in it, so I apologize. But like I said, I absolutely love this pattern. I will drop a link down below where you can go actually download your own pattern of the Joana DIY patterns. I need to trim that off. And I need to bleach this again because it was a fun day on Saturday at EarthX. I will go ahead and share some of the photos of us at EarthX. Most of them are of my youngest daughter, Ryan. She had a lot of fun, and I really enjoy EarthX. Alright guys, I will see y'all next week. Bye! Oh, and I forgot to let y'all know that this is the reason why I am late on uploading my video this week. I am in the middle of fixing this up and getting it ready. So far, the exports seem to be going extremely fast. We'll see from editing this video how well it goes.